Hello, everyone. Welcome to this guided meditation on the body, space, and awareness. Very happy to be here with you. My name is Dave Das from Akasha Yoga Academy, and we're just going to do it Dave Das style. We're going to jump right into the ocean of your own being. So find yourself in a comfortable seat, can be cross-legged, can be on a chair. If it is on the chair, find yourself with a nice straight spine away from the back, if that's possible for your body. Close your eyes and just arrive. Maybe start by feeling your sit bones rooted into the seat that you're in. Make sure that you feel stable and comfortable and relaxed in your seat. Then feel the length of your spine all the way up to the crown of your head. Open up the crown to the sky. We are vaster than space, so open to that space. And just come fully inside this present moment. Nothing from the past, nothing from the future. This is your time to explore, to discover. So relax. And now turn your attention to sound. Sound is one of the most miraculous gifts. Even things far, far away we hear. Some very gross sounds, some very subtle sounds, all playing in our awareness field. Just exploring that field of sound and realizing that our awareness is so much larger than our physical body. Sometimes things happening far, far off, we sense them when they happen. Through this agency of listening and awareness. Take a moment to really rest in that. The expanse of your awareness. And inside that beautifully magical space of your awareness, the body is doing what it needs to do. Breathing or not breathing. Rejuvenating. Relaxing. And it can just do what it's doing. And you can stay as the field of this beautiful, expansive awareness that's always there. colossal containers we are of everything. Have the courage to see that side of who you are. And we'll end this meditation and contemplation with a quote from St. Augustine. People travel to wonder at the height of the mountains, waves of the sea, long course of the rivers, and the vast expanse of the ocean, at the circular motion of the stars in the sky, and pass by themselves, the crowning wonder. And from our side, full gratitude for your willingness to explore some of the potentials that we have inside of us as human beings. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.